Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We are back at a house cleaning this morning. We got a mobile home. We'll walk around and show it to you. It's pretty bad. Alright, so we got the driveway. We can get all this cleaned up for them. It's an older couple, but they just really let it go downhill. Down along the side here, a little shed area. Little screen room back here they had built. This is the worst side back through here. Yeah. Good news is everything will come out really nice. So, down along this side as well. Okay, well, that's our project here for this morning, so let's get moving. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. We'll walk you around and show you how it turned out. The driveway's all white and bright again. Got all the green off the house. There's the back of the house. Looks like new again. And then down along the side. Alright, well, this is Bill with Spring Pressure Washing, and that wraps up this one. And we'll see you at the next job.